There's another one.
What is up, you beautiful people? It has been quite some time since you've seen this ugly mug, and now you still can't see this ugly mug because I have a mask on. The reason I have it on is because I'm at work and I'm not allowed to take it off until after my shift is over, which, yeah, that's news. I'm officially employed by Whitesburg ARH Hospital, which is really sweet because I really needed a job, and I was worried that when I'd start working that I wouldn't have time to fish, but luckily my schedule allows for me to fish for a little while every other day or every couple of days, so I'll still be able to provide some videos for you guys. Past couple weeks have been extremely exhausting. I've been, me and my wife have both been working on our health and fitness and, you know, just trying to get healthier because we kind of let ourselves go. You may not be able to tell, but I'm what you call skinny fat. I look great in clothes, but when I take my shirt off, there's a huge gut that's not supposed to be there. But I lost 12 pounds in the first 5 days, so it's working, it's going. But anyway, today after my shift, I'm gonna go meet up with my dad for the first time since all this stuff happened, and we're gonna hopefully go catch some fish because I need to catch a fish. If you guys are enjoying my videos, please let me know, leave a like, drop a comment, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe because now that I'm working, I'll be able to do the giveaway at 500 that I wanted to do, and we're at 475, so we're super close. So make sure you subscribe. Before we do get started, the verse of the day is actually not my choice. If you guys have a favorite verse, please leave it down in the comments, and I will pick my favorite one out of those, and it'll be the verse of the day for the next video. So with all that being said, you guys stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the video. It feels so good to be back.
All right, so I just went and got Dad, and we made it over Pine Mountain. We decided to come to the little ponds over here. You guys have seen them many times if you've watched my channel before. And he's already out there throwing a frog, and he already had one swirl on it, so that's a good sign. I'm gonna throw this chatterbait. I'm running low on baits, like all of my baits, and this isn't the color that I prefer to throw, but it's the only chatterbait that I have. But I'm gonna shut up and get to fishing. Hopefully we can catch some. Look at that. I need line bad. I'm gonna walk down here a little ways and try down there, so if you get one, holler. I went ahead and changed the trailer to add a little bit more of a bulky bait, and also changed the color up a little bit because I had a green pumpkin trailer on it. But if I have any hope for a fish, I feel like it's gonna be like back here in these trees and shade and stuff because it's like 90 degrees today. So I'm gonna make a few casts back here and see. All right, so I switched it up a little bit. I brought my spinning rod for my Senko. I'm gonna try that. Try to get under these trees. There we go. I hope he didn't swallow it. He looks like he swallowed it. No, we're good. All right. Hey, it's a fish. He's fat too. I mean, I'm happy. This is the first bass I've caught in a while. See, dude. Oh. Okay, that kind of made me feel a little bit better. Now maybe I won't be so reluctant to think that we're just gonna fish all day and not catch anything. Because I hate that feeling when I'm not confident. That brought my confidence up a little bit. There we go. There's another one. If I can get him in. That's decent. It's not a bad one at all. Oh, he wasn't going anywhere. Okay, that's picture worthy. I think I'm gonna take a picture for Instagram and then we're getting back. Kind of gonna have to toss him a little bit, but he'll be all right. It's pretty deep here. See you, bud. Yes, it's number 2. It's a pretty good one too. The only issue is he spit my Senko and I don't have any with me. I had to run back to the truck, so I'm gonna go to the truck and grab 1 or 2 and then I'm gonna come back out here because I think they're shallow, because like I said before, all of this is the shallow end. We may be on a pattern. All right, got me another Senko tied on. I'm using watermelon red flake, in case you're wondering. Whoa, that was a big bass. I don't know if you guys seen that or not, but there's one. Little guy. It's okay. I mean, still fish. And he's not like tiny, he's decent size. Fun to catch regardless. I think he's a little bit bigger than the first one, but smaller than the, well, he might be about the same size as the first one. Still, it's a fish. We're catching fish. This is number 3 for the day. See, buddy. Yes. I'll meet you back over here in a second. Another, oh, he spit it out. It was another little one. Yeah, a little bluegill was nipping on it, and then that little bass just come up. I watched him. He just come up and took it from the bluegill. But he was tiny. I'm not mad about losing that. It was the right move to move over here because they're literally jumping everywhere. All right, now let's see if we can catch one of these things. I can see my line a lot better over here too. There we go. Stay down. He's not too big either, but oh, he's running at me. Ah. There's number 4, I believe, of the day. He's got a little scar on him. Cool. Heck yeah. I gotta throw him. It's the only way. See you, buddy. Sweet. Okay, before I make a move towards Dad over there, try one more cast that way to see how close I can get. Oh, that's good. That might be a fish. I seen a couple splashing over there a minute ago. I didn't even know he was on there. It's the smallest fish of the day. He's pretty, but smallest fish of the day, I think. Yeah, definitely. There we go. That's a fish tank bass. See you, buddy. I'm not complaining. I'll take any bass. Holy crap. That's a giant. Holy crap, that's a giant. That thing was probably 5.5, 6 pounds. There he is, I see him. He's way out there now. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Right there. Landed right on top of him. I probably spooked him. That sucks. Oh well, I'm gonna move down. He's big, but he wouldn't have nothing to do with my Senko. I caught 3 up there and I've caught 2 here. Yeah. Nothing worth calling home about though. I'd like to catch a big, at least a 3 or 4, you know. 3 or above, I'd be super happy. Just to see. It wouldn't make any sense that there wouldn't be fish there. Oh, because there is. He's a little guy too. Oh, the bigs are out. The bigs are out. He thinks he's free already. He's just chilling. Oh, there he goes. Come here, big guy. 7 pounds. Chill out, I'm not gonna hurt you. He didn't even get hooked. It went through his nostril. All right, number 6, I think. What's up with all these fish tank bass? Look at this, that's an aquarium fish. See, buddy. I told you there'd be one over there. This Senko's about had it. So I'm gonna switch over to wacky rig for a minute. Now watch, just like I said, I'll lose it. What? He didn't even have the hook, did he? He was holding on to the worm. That's funny. All right. There's another one. That's better. Get up here. Huh? A whole lot better, yeah. Oh man. Yeah, he swallowed it. Give me a second, guys. There's a look at him. All right. There's number 7, I think. There he goes. I somehow managed to make it over here. I don't know if I can still get on this. Last time I was here, it wasn't like too dangerous to walk on. Yeah, I can still walk on it. And see, there's our rock wall. There's one. Another little guy. There we go. Number 8, another little dude. See, dude. Still ain't got one? What are you doing? Okay, I gotta call it a day. I'm tired. Working at the hospital and then going fishing after is not a good idea. I'd rather fish first, then go to work. Because standing up all day sucks. But it's okay, because I'm still gonna do it regardless, so I can still get some fishing in. But today was a pretty decent day. I caught 8. Most of them were really, really tiny. I don't even know if I'm gonna put them all in the video just because I might just show pictures. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I still had fun. And I got to go out with my dad for the first time since all this crap started. So it was a good day. I enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, let me know, leave a like, drop a comment. But I'm gonna go ahead and get to the house so I can get something to drink and probably pass out for the rest of the night. I'll catch you guys on the next one.